Last year, when one of the outpost's biggest residents, Rocky the Tiger, took an unusual trip to the nearest vet.
Come on, Rock. Come here.
A couple of the handlers, Jim and Mary, noticed Rocky was favoring one of his legs. So we thought, it's about a year. It was probably time for a checkup anyways.
Rocky's been at the outpost since he was a small cub, weighing just 6 pounds. His handlers, Jim and Mary Fresneda, have looked after him here ever since. He now weighs in at over 500 pounds. And Rocky had a surprise for them when they arrived at the vet. He wasn't going in.
When you talk about a tiger, especially when they get to be over 600 pounds like Rocky, yeah, easily just playfully jump up on you and kill you by just his mere weight. Anything like this, it can be dangerous, and it's not a matter of the animal being tamed. They're not tamed. It's on how well we've done training them to go and do as we want.
Prospect of an angry tiger on their hands, they had to move quickly.
Oh, he's coming up. All right.
Did some blood work on him, cleaned his teeth while I was there, x-rayed his shoulder. Nothing serious with his shoulder, probably just a sprain. And blood work all came back good. It's got nice shiny teeth now.
But it's not helpful when your 600-pound patient wakes up during the procedure.
We're going to be wrapped up in 15, 20 minutes, so he can hang on a little bit longer.
For the most part, he was a very good cat. Everything went good.